So do you have to pay taxes if you put your money into an offshore trust? Let me break it down for you. You know, there's a lot of misinformation out there. Everybody's looking for a secret formula to success, right? That one hack that'll change your life overnight. And when it comes to offshore accounts, a lot of people think it's the magic key to avoiding taxes. But listen, here's the real deal. As a U.S. citizen, you still gotta pay taxes no matter where you park your money. In fact, I've been in the offshore company, trust, formation, and banking world for 33 years. I associate with the top legal minds in the industry, many of whom are on our staff. And let me tell you, it's not about avoiding taxes. It's about strategizing and protecting your assets. There's a difference. If you're making money overseas, the IRS still wants their cut. They've got this thing called worldwide taxation. It means wherever you go, wherever your money goes, Uncle Sam is still in the room. Now, a lot of wealthy people, they understand this. They don't just throw their money offshore to dodge taxes. Instead, they set up smart structures like offshore trusts and LLCs and put their money in offshore bank accounts and brokerage accounts. Why? Because these tools give them asset protection and privacy, and sometimes they can even defer taxes or take advantage of loopholes. In fact, some of our packages include a comprehensive tax review from a licensed tax guy. But hey, here's the key. It's all legal, and it's all done with the tax man in mind. There's no free ride. Let me give you an example. Let's say you set up an offshore trust in the Cook Islands. I mean, sounds cool, right? In fact, I've set up more trusts there than anybody in the world. It's number one for protecting your assets from lawsuits and creditors. But you still have to report to the IRS. You still have to file forms like the FBAR, Foreign Bank Account Report, and comply with FATCA, the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. If you don't, the fines are insane. I'm talking tens of thousands of dollars in penalties. So the question isn't, how do I avoid taxes by going offshore? It's how do I use offshore strategies to protect and grow my wealth while still staying compliant. If you try to hide it, you'll get burned, trust me. But if you play by the rules, you can leverage offshore structures to your advantage. And here's the takeaway. Don't focus on avoiding taxes. Focus on building a strong financial fortress. Offshore accounts can be part of that strategy, but you have to understand the rules. Get the right advisors in your corner. Learn the game, because the real key to success isn't about cutting corners. It's about mastering the long game. So do you have to pay taxes if you put your money offshore? Yes, you do. But smart people know how to make the system work for them and not against them. This is the Business Guy.